Hey everyone! On this video I wanted to bring to you guys the purchase I did for Black Friday in the Dany Vianna site. This was last year, so this is kind of a delayed video, but I wanted to share in case they do a Black Friday this year. If you guys want to take into consideration, see the couple of polishes I bought with them. It's been a while, but this was my first experience with Dany Vianna. I really liked the process. The purchase itself was very easy. I received everything on time and I got statuses update. The Black Friday process, I think they did it late at night. Some polishes were selling out, but I still was able to get things. So let's see what they do this year if they do something. And here they have a little card explaining about the brand. They also have this swatch palette. I understand this is for you to do some experiments and swatch things out. They also have swatch areas in the boxes. For the polish bottles, they have a black and white at the top. I liked that they did like a bubble paper and it's not bubble wrap in plastic. I think it's a bit more sustainable, a bit easier to recycle, so appreciate that. And also on the boxes, I noticed they don't do the identification. All the boxes look the same. I know some brands do a little sticker with the name already on the box. That's not the case here. They do have an opening at the bottom, and then you can see the color name on the bottle itself at the bottom. I live in Brazil, so shipping was very accessible for me. It was about 20 bucks in my currency, which is about $4. So again, pretty accessible. I know international may be a little more. And one thing I struggle with a bit with Dany is sometimes they bring down the site just so they can do updates and prepare for sales. I would appreciate it if they leave it up so I can prepare for like a Black Friday, look at the products. I don't have to go to Instagram, but I understand what they do it. So this first color here that I bought is called Itty Space. I paid about 27 bucks my currency, which is about $5. Very good price. This is a pink color with a golden shimmer that kind of shifts to green and a little blue in the edges. And the camera does not do it justice. It's so much prettier live, so gorgeous. You will see it in the swatches. And the next one is one of the Christmas polishes they did called Grinchmas. I paid 16 bucks in my currency, which is a little over $3. So this is like a amazing price for an indie polish. This is a lime green with golden orange flakies and also a bit of a golden orange shimmer as well. And one thing here, the cap on this one has a metallic effect and it came a little bit scratched. I don't mind it. I like that they tried to do a theme for the Christmas one, but I think this wasn't the best finish because it can get scratched very easily. And I also wanted to show you guys the Dalmatian Jasper, which is from the Zodiac collection that was a collab between Dany, Watcha, and Vanessa Molina. I got that one with Watcha, but I thought I would swatch it here since Dany also had this polish. And here's some comparisons. I thought Itty Space was comparable to Flamingo from Cirque. I think it has kind of the same vibe with the pink and the strong shimmer. In Grinchmas with the flakies, I think it reminds me a lot of the Chameleon Nails polishes. They have these glowy flakies as well. And in the color scheme, another one from the Kelly Marissa collection from Cirque, which is all in a green with a very strong golden shimmer as well. Starting the swatches with Dalmatian Jasper, this is one I don't even have a comparison for. It's just such a unique polish, and the moment I saw this one on Instagram from the brands, I was like, I gotta have it. It's so beautiful. It's not related to my sign. I don't even remember what sign it's supposed to be. It has an illustration at the bottle. I don't care. I love it. I like that it's not that textured, even with the components in the formula. They're kind of like not glitters, not flakies. There's just some speckles. And the more layers you do, I did 2 layers for all of them. I think 2 layers was great. And when you do the layers, you can see a little bit of the elements in the bottom layer, and then the top ones are a bit more visible. I like the depth that it has. You can go for more layers. Again, I think 2 is enough for me, but if you want more of that effect, you can always pile on some more. For Grinchmas, I thought the formula was a bit thicker on this one. I don't know if it's the flakies or what, but nothing to worry about. It's still very good. It self-levels a lot. And I like that it self-levels with elements like the flakies and the glitters. That's always very welcome. Same as with the Dalmatian Jasper. It generates this feeling of dimension because of the jellies and the flakies. So you get some flakies that are more visible on the top layer, and then the ones in the bottom ones you can see a little bit hidden, and when the light hits it, it gives a cool effect. I really like this about these polishes. Great formula. 2 coats was more than enough for me. And Itty Bitty Space is one that's already like in your face, even in the first layer. This is like absurdly beautiful polish. I loved it so much. Again, the camera doesn't do it justice. I don't think the pictures in the site did it justice. It was definitely a more gorgeous polish when it got to me than what I was expecting. I would wear this in 1 layer alone. It's very sheer, the formula, but I think that gives you flexibility if you want to build it up or not. I love it with just 1 layer. The shimmer really shines even with just 1 layer. I did 2, just for reference. You can go 3 if you want something even more impactful, but you don't need it. With this polish, the shimmer is already very much in your face. And again, all of them 2 layers, good self-leveling, good coverage. Thought it was amazing. Maybe if you have a longer nail or if you want more coverage, you can do more. But for me, 2 was enough. And for reference, I have the Cirque polishes here on my pinky, just so you can see them side by side for a quick comparison. A little bit with Grinchmas and Itty Bitty Space. And overall, this was a great experience for me. I had them on my radar to purchase as a Brazilian indie to support our national market here. And I'm very happy, very pleased. I have them on my radar for Black Friday again. I think Dany has a lot of creative finishes and very unique ones. And if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask about how my experience was, but I would definitely recommend them. I think they are great in communicating in their social medias as well. Overall, a very positive experience, beautiful polishes. I hope you guys liked it, this quick video with the quick swatches, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!